Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send money from USA to Bangladesh using bKash. This is gonna be easy. The first step we need to do is find a platform to send money internationally. In this case, we're gonna use Western Union. So with Western Union, we can send money easily to Bangladesh. So we open the platform, the web page, and right here we're gonna see this button called send money. We're gonna click this button, and then we're gonna find, and in the country section we're gonna find Bangladesh. Right here we're gonna click Bangladesh. Once we have this country selected, we're gonna set the amount, and we can see the amount to receive in Bangladesh. To use bKash to 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 receive the money, we need to select this option right here, mobile wallet, and then we're gonna select bKash right here. As you can see, we have bKash selected, and then we're gonna select how we'll be paying this exchange transaction. So we need to click continue, and we need to add or we need to create an account to send the money. So it's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.